DST-201 just got a firmware upgrade. Fonts, bolder, smoother, way easier on the eyes. Scope labels pop more, but white theme? Still not perfect. Calibration takes longer, but hey, no more shaky screen. Multimeter values? Boom! Way more readable. Overall, smoother experience. Would you upgrade? If yes, here's how. Go to FNIRSI.com, Downloads, Manual and Firmwares. Choose DST-201, download and unzip the file. Turn it off, hold mode plus power, enter upgrade mode. Plug in Type-C, PC detects a drive, copy the firmware file. That's it. Upgrade done. Enjoy the new vibe. Follow us for more and grab your tools.